Welcome to this video. I am going to show how to fix game crashing, not launching. Click search bar and type device manager. Click device manager. Click display adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Wait. Installation complete and click close. Close window. Click search bar and type update. Click Windows Update Settings. Click Check for updates. After completed, click Close. Open Steam. Go to the library. Right-click your not working game and click Properties. Click Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Wait. After complete, click Browse. Right-click your not working game application and click Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. Close window. Try to play game. If that didn't work, right-click Start menu. Open Task Manager. Click Startup. Disable Not Used Applications. Close window. Click search bar and type CMD. Right-click command prompt and click Run as administrator. Type SFC scan now. Wait. After completed, close window. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, click search bar and type security. Open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Click Manage Settings. Scroll down. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Add an exclusions. Try File and Folder. Find your not working application. Select and click Open. Close window. And restart your PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.